thought we would do some baby bear, mama bear and papa bears and add on to it a feather. Great for borders, great for all over design. So go half on bird's wing and back to the circle. And that's how you do your feathers. Half a bird's wing and round the sun. Half a bird's wing around the sun. From here, I've echoed. So take your time. It's great for beginners, this. Really good to learn. Come back 2 lots of feathers. And now we do the baby bear, mama bear, and papa bear. And again, we do half a bird's wing and around the sun. And we do that all the way around papa bear. You can see that it's angling slightly to the left. And again, we echo. And we come back again. This time we're going to do 4 echoes. So baby bear, mama bear, papa bear. Half a bird's wing and around the sun. Half a bird's wing and around the sun. And again. So again, half a bird's wing and around the sun. And you can see that it's going around your papa bear motif. And I've echoed again. And here we've already got a natural stop, so we do it again here. Mama bear, a echo, now this time there's no real space for to do another, so I've travelled over my previous stitches and brought myself back out to this space. So we've got a baby bear, a mama bear and a papa bear. Half a bird's wing and around the sun. So you can see it's very, very, very easy, but it learns or teaches you how to do feathers and adding it onto another motif. So again, echo around and we're done.